Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, karon naay pakapin ang inyong ice cream. Tag-usa-usa mo ka chocopie usa na diha so sa ref. So, palihog lang ko tateng. Jocelyn, sorry. Lamig. Napa na sa day ay kanas ay. Sige. Ako ano ay halita anak pasa-pasa lang. Sige. Sige, tagkuan mo. Ang usa ka box duha na isud. So kinsa pa man toy wala. Sige. Kinsa pa wala? Sakto na? Kasi ikaw nang Jenna ka? Ikaw, napod? Sige. Di ka na ni Changunin. So, kinsay naghatag sa yung chocopie og ice cream?
Changunin! Changunin! Annyeonghaseyo! Kamsahamnida!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Kamsahamnida!
Lami inyong chocopie. Lami Nurjen? Kaway ba? Nakay mo ha? Si Pibi, Ate Pibi. Nakay mo Ate Pibi. Ang katawan. Malipayan kayo siya ikaw guys. Cream mo si Ana. Tapos ka chocopie.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. This is Shane from the Sang area. I am from the regular class and I will be teaching Ira from the special class how to read the channels Vision and Mission. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team Vision. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team Vision. To create a brighter future. A brighter future for underprivileged families and students in Mactan by nurturing well-rounded character who excel in academics and character. We envision a community where every child, regardless of their socio-economic background, has the opportunity to develop strong English communication skills. And exceptional moral values. We are also increasing students entrance to university or college. University or college. Mission. Mission. Academic excellence. Our primary mission is to provide high quality education
to underprivileged
students
in Mactan.
We aim to foster their academic academic growth by offering English conversation. Conversation. And math lessons that are engaging, effective, and tailored to their needs. Our dedicated volunteer teachers are committed to equipping students with the knowledge and skills required to excel in their studies. Character development. We believe that education goes beyond textbooks, beyond textbooks and classrooms. Our mission extends to instilling
good manners,
ethical values, and a sense of responsibility in the children we serve. We seek to develop students who not only perform well academically, but also demonstrate respect. Inclusivity and equal opportunity. Inclusivity and equal opportunity. Korea Channel Education Team
Mactan Korea Channel Education Team
is committed to leveling the playing field for all students, regardless of their socio-economic circumstances, socio-economic circumstances, ensuring that every child in Mactan has quality education,
The
their full potential,
to reach the full
their
potential.
full potential. Community engagement,
Community engagement.
we strive
We strive
to be an
to be an
integral part
integral part
of the Mactan community,
of the Mactan community,
working closely with families,
with families,
schools,
schools,
stakeholders to create a supportive and nurturing environment
environment environment
for our students. We believe that collaboration is essential to achieving our mission. Volunteer empowerment, the dedication and passion of our volunteer teachers are central to our mission. We are committed with the necessary resources and support to continue making a positive impact on the lives of Mactan's youth. A positive impact on the lives of Mactan's youth. Of Mactan's youth. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team is driven by the belief that education can be a powerful force for change. Powerful force for change, and our vision and mission reflect our commitment to empowering
empowering
the next generation with knowledge, skills, and values that will transform their lives and their community for the better. Mag-practice ka niya. Kamsahamnida.